Hi, my name is John Kongsvik. I am the director of TESOL Trainers, and I'm here to talk to you about this professional development workshop series we've created entitled SIOP, the Principles and Practices of Sheltered Instruction. These teacher training seminars are offered in face-to-face and remote settings, and they introduce educators to this K-12 framework and show them how SIOP can be used to design and deliver lessons that set every student up for success. During these PD sessions, we help teachers understand the fundamental principles of sheltered instruction, show them the 8 components and 30 features of SIOP, and it's all done in an engaging and experiential manner. We use model SIOP lessons that show teachers what SIOP really looks like in their contexts. We give teachers the space to talk about the experience, share what supported their own learning, and connect the steps of the lesson we modeled with the principles of sheltered instruction. We introduce teachers to practical SIOP strategies and techniques, show them what these teaching tools look like in a variety of different contexts, and create the space that they need to connect this content with their teaching contexts. Educators who leave our professional development workshops leave feeling inspired to integrate the content of our trainings into their daily teaching practices. During our SIOP workshops, we show teachers the role that language plays in connecting students with content. We give them strategies that they can use to integrate the 4 domains of language in a way that sets everybody up for success. We help teachers develop strategies that will engage every learner they have every moment of the lesson. And we help them see techniques they can use to boost student responsibility and student accountability. We help teachers understand what making content comprehensible means, and we give them concrete strategies they can use to do so. We explain what scaffolding really is and give them steps that they can take to scaffold any student into success. If you're looking to give your teachers a powerful professional development experience, you really ought to check out TESOL Trainers. We're at www.tesoltrainers.com. You can also contact me, John Kongsvik, directly. John@tesoltrainers.com. I would be more than happy to share with you the professional development workshops we offer and how they can transform the way teaching and learning occur at your educational institution. We are TESOL Trainers, and we are your scaffold to success. Check us out.